Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of AWS Mastery course. So in this particular session, we are going to understand about like how we can configure route tables and what are route tables and how we can manage our network traffic. So we are going to learn all these things in a theoretical manner as well as in a practical manner. So now let's start this session. So in this session, we are learning about the route tables. So first, let's just understand like what is route table. So route table is basically something which is having or which contains set of rule. It actually determine like how the network or the traffic being directed within our VPC network. Okay, so we have already understood like VPC is something which is isolated. Okay, and in order to I can say do kind of networking or managing the traffics within our VPC, we need route table. Okay, now let's understand like each subnet in a VPC must be associated with a route table, so that if we are having specific traffic which is coming from subnet, it should be sent to the desired places wherever we want. Okay, so we are going to understand like how the things are going to be. From like here you can understand like route tables controls the flow of traffic both within the VPC and outside the VPC. So there are two things. Okay, so first thing is like you're having VPC, and inside your VPC you're having a network, and there is one more network where you are interacting from the out of the like outside internet. Okay, within your VPC you're having one network, but from in order to interact with the outer network, you need one more subnet, or I can say you need something where we can actually communicate. Okay, so now let's talk about the key components of route table. So first we are having destination. Means destination is something from which, like if we are having the traffic coming from this particular subnet is basically a range of IP addresses coming from this subnet. It is going to this particular place, means from this destination to this destination it is going to get managed or sent. And then we are having target. Okay, target is basically means like from, like I've already told you, like from which particular destination the traffic is coming from, and it is actually going on which particular target. So we can configure internet gateway. So let's suppose we are having particular traffic coming from a particular subnet, so we can direct that into our internet gateways. Okay, so these are the things which we are having. So also in the next session, we are going to understand like how we can create the route table practically. Why I'm actually not doing over here, because when I'm going to show you or I can say tell you about the internet gateways, so there you are going to understand about the route table as well. Because if I show you like how you can create route table practically, so you need internet gateways as well. But as of now we haven't studied about internet gateways. So in the next session I'm going to teach you what is internet gateways first, then we are going to create one route table and internet gateways side by side. Okay, so that was all about this session, and I hope you guys have understood about the route tables as well and how we can configure them practically. So that's it for now. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you so much.